Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdygirlreviews, and we're back with another unboxing video. Stay tuned for all the goodies, the new goodies. Alright, this product is available through Prime, Amazon, you already know. This is called Avène. I believe it's a French product. It is laboratory dermatologist, tested, hypersensitive skin solutions, clinically proven to reduce overall discomfort by 92%. It brings a cleanser, a moisturizer, and a soothe, which I'm not too sure, but we will find out when I open. There is some information on the side panels. It explains in further detail what each product will achieve. The cleanser will be an ultra gentle cleansing lotion, removes makeup, dirt, oil from the face, eyes, lips, while soothing and calming skin. The moisturizer soothes visible redness, tightness, and overheating. It helps restore the skin barrier. Unique sterile packaging allows formula to be preservative-free with minimal ingredients for maximum tolerance. And the Soothe is clinically shown. It's Avène thermal spring water, clinically shown by over 150 studies to soothe, soften, and calm skin. So let's get into the unpackaging, shall we? As you can see, there's 3 bottles in the packaging. Packaging was good, nothing too crazy. And there you have it. The directions are on the box, as I mentioned before. No instructions, no. And there you have it. It can be part of any cleaning routine, morning routine. It is 3.3 fluid ounces, the cleanser. The moisturizer is 1.3 fluid ounces. And the soother is 1.6 fluid ounces. So there you have it, y'all. I'm going to give it a try, but this was just a quick unboxing. If you like what you see, give us a like, give us a share, leave us a comment down below. If you're looking for gift ideas for any upcoming event, Valentine's Day, you want to give your significant other a at-home spa day, this would be perfect. If you like what you see, leave us a comment down below. Is this something that you would be interested in trying? I will give it a try and we'll give you an update on how it went. But, it has a nice little pump. How cute. Okay. Anyway, I'm also doing a GoFundMe and I will link it in the description box down below if you have a little time and you can click on it. And if you can help donate, I really appreciate it. It would help the cause and help the channel out as well. If you like my videos and would like to follow me here on YouTube, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next DIY, haul, unboxing, unwrapping, and review. And until next time, y'all, XOXO, Nerdy Girl.